We're on the second floor of a 40,000 square foot office building for First United Bank. This is going to be their flagship headquarters. It's a mass timber project, which means that it's made up of glulam and CLT. So the panels are CLT panels. They come from Structurlam. They're on a 20-foot grid, so they're spanning from glulam member to glulam member. Floor panels are 7 layers and the roof panels are 5 layers. The architects, engineers, and contractor saw the value that we brought to the table as an experienced subcontractor, and we were able to provide a turnkey mass timber solution for them. And while this is new for many, it's something that we've done for a long time, and it's a pretty natural step for us into mass timber. All of the processes needed to deliver this project were processes that we've already had in place. The architect really influenced the early decision to make mass timber a part of this project. Prefabrication was one big reason why, to help speed up the delivery, as well as aesthetics and sustainability. Everything with this type of construction is done in BIM modeling or with a virtual fabrication model, and we were able to coordinate with the architect and other trades and engineer to catch almost every discrepancy in the drawings or details through sharing those models. Texas Timber Frames has been in business since 1987. We've been working with CNC prefabricated structures since 2003. We have 2 state-of-the-art facilities, one in the heart of Texas and one really in the heart of Midwest in Nebraska. We have installation teams out of both facilities that we send all over the country. And we have a big team of designers and CAD departments ready to help with any prefabricated structure.